Good morning, guys. Welcome back into my channel. Now only I just woke up, and today is the last day. We'll be here at Umrangso and Golf Fifth. Only 2 days gone, and all the Falcon program, everything, festival is also over. So now we'll be returning back now, and you can see this is our tent, and I'm unboxing our tent now. This is our beautiful tent. So these are our blanket. This is our blanket, and all with bag sack. All is getting ready, and now we'll be going back now. Oh yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning. Oh, how are you? Oh yes, finally, just I'm out. And this is Umrangso, guys. This is Falcon Festival holding place. So this is it, and this is our tent. This is another one. So this is about it, guys, and so we are returning back now. Now finally all packing things, everything's done. These are our bag, and this is the spot where we place our tent. Two place. This is our tent, and now we are returning back home today, and we will visit again in the coming year if time permits. This is Mr. Jimson, this is Mr. Jacong, and this is Mr. Montre. And we'll visit again next year if time permits. So see you again and meet you again in the next coming year, guys. Okay then, bye bye. Jai Hind.